Give someone the evil eye. Give someone the evil eye means to look at someone in an angry, disapproving, or hostile way, often without saying anything. Let's look at some example sentences. My mom gave me the evil eye after I forgot to do the dishes. My boss gave me the evil eye when I walked into the meeting 10 minutes late. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. The audience stared at the comedian with obvious disapproval after the offensive joke. The audience gave the comedian the evil eye after the offensive joke. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.